Never carry it forward so you see it.
To Larry.
Larry.
AKA.
No-brainer.
So that's for you.
From Squirrel Head.
From Squirrel Head.
What is this?
Wow.
Let's see this.
Come open
You
it.
want to come open it?
Is there a squirrel in there?
Yeah. Wrap it up with
Bella, that
kind of ran out of tissue paper.
that stuff is $25 a packet for the film. So I'm just telling you that so you won't be wasteful.
We'll turn it up. Yeah, I need a knife.
Oh, you're so close.
You got it?
I'm talking about the thing, right?
Charlie's got a knife. Where was his? Where is it? Knife. It's probably.
I'll tell you what. I thought you had
Smile,
something.
Granddad. Granddaddy. Granddad. Smile. No, keep, guys, watch out. No, Bella, hold on.
Yes, smaller. Smaller. That's cute. I love that.
Here. You know how you told me you wanted a truck?
Yeah.
So you got your wish.
Monster truck too.
Yeah.
Granddad.
How about that?
Smile.